Hello. This is the first video in this new channel. This channel is called Aryan's Finances. In this channel, we will discuss the important topic of finance. As you can see on the presentation, my name is Aryan. I live in the Netherlands in a city called Amsterdam. So, in this video, we will discuss what is finance, which is a very important topic to get into the complicated side of finance. So, let's get started, shall we? What is finance? Corporate finance, personal finance, public finance. And then you guys can ask questions in the comment section, which I will always answer. And then there's a thank you slide. What is finance? The definition of finance is that you buy or sell either online with stocks or in real life with money. Finance can be done by anyone, anywhere. An example of this stocks can be you buy a stock on Nifty 50 online in the share market, or you buy a hamburger from McDonald's. The types of finances are corporate finance, which will be discussed in page number 3, personal finance, which will be discussed in page number 4, and public finance, which will be discussed in page number 5. Corporate finance. Here is what corporate finance's key terms are: earning money, revenue by selling products and services in our day to day life; spending money, expenses, paying all their workers and buying materials; investing, using money to buy new things or expand the business. Say you're small you have a small office, but you're growing workers, so you need to buy a bigger office. So you do. That may seem like a big loss in the present, but in the future it might end up in a smart move. Borrowing money, getting loans or selling shares to raise extra money. Corporate finance is finance which is done by companies or governments. Personal finance. Personal finance is when you buy or sell things with money. The key terms of personal finance are earning money, getting money from jobs or allowances; saving, setting aside money for future needs, which is very important in your retirement; spending, using money to buy things you need or want. But we have to draw a line at this. It is very important to find the differences between needs and wants. Everybody likes spending money, right? But we need to be careful with our money. Investing, growing your money over time. Like, let's say I keep 10 million euros in the bank, and then uh, a 10% interest. The next year, I will get 10% of the 10 million. So it'll sum up to a huge amount later on. Managing debt, handling money you owe. Like, let's say at the lunch table you forget your credit card. You ask your friends, "Can you please give me 5 euros?" They do. So that's the money you owe. We have to give the money we go owe fast, not keep on waiting for it. Budgeting money, planning how to earn, save, and spend. Public finance. Public finance is the study of how governments manage the money. It includes activities like collecting money, revenue. The government takes money from taxes and other sources. Spending money. The government uses this money to pay for things like schools, roads, and a hospital. Budgeting money. Planning how to use the money wisely. Borrowing. If the government needs more money, it can take loans or issue bonds between things and companies. Do you guys have any questions? If do, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will answer most of your guys' questions. Thank you for listening. And by the way, if you like this comment, please subscribe and ring a bell icon in the bottom below. And please share this video with the rest of your community. Bye. See you in the next one.